Alright, what up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. And today, I literally just rolled out of bed like 20 minutes ago. We are rolling out to a post-Houston meet. It should be pretty good. We had a pretty good meet last night. We rolled up to, but they were playing like hella copyright music, so we ended up not really recording. I wish I did though, because it was hella popping last night. I'm not gonna lie, I was like 45 minutes away this meet, but they were just playing a bunch of music, bunch of loud music, and I was like, nah, no point in posting this. But rolling up to a pretty good meet today. I think it's only like 25 minutes away, so there's gonna be a bunch of good shit here though. Last time I was here about a year ago, actually not even a year ago, this was like probably 6 months ago, maybe 7. I don't even remember when I was last here, but it was a pretty good turnout. A lot of, mainly I feel like a supercar meet almost, like a lot of GT3s, McLarens, shit like that. But we're headed to the gas station right now. He's gonna pick up some E. I might as well, just in case anything goes down later on tonight, so that way I'm ready. But shit really don't be going on till like 12, 1 a.m. here. Alright, I think we're getting close here. Within 10 minutes. But look at this crazy view right here. Yeah, this shit crazy. I could get used to that. I ain't gonna lie. Pretty sure we're pretty close. I have a feeling too, and so does he. He thinks he's gonna get kicked out because they got some against Mustangs here. I guess 1 week this dude was doing a burnout fucking 8 months ago, and ever since then it's been kind of hard getting in as a Mustang. But hopefully he don't get kicked out, because I'm gonna have to follow his ass. Yeah, we're really close actually. We're like just a couple minutes away. Here we go. We're about to find out real quick. Oh, they ain't letting him in. They ain't letting him in. He's getting kicked out. They ain't letting his ass in. Man, alright, I'm gonna have to follow him. We're gonna have to park somewhere else. No Mustangs. I'm gonna see if I can get in. We'll see. No? No?
Hey,
what's up?
Just so you know, for next time, I can't let Chargers, Challengers, Mustangs, or Camaros of this era, because too many of y'all, I'm not saying you, too many of y'all have done dumb shit, revved, and done burnouts and stuff like
come
that.
on, man. The McLarens be...
It's not us, man. It's the post that says we can't have you here.
Man, the McLarens be blasting through the street, too.
I don't even know what to say.
Come on, man. That's crazy. Man, see, I tried. I tried. They turned you away.
I got it, and he said, hell nah.
What'd he say exactly?
He said, you guys can't come. He said, no Mustangs, Challengers, or Chargers can come in with you guys. He said, dumb shit.
Wow.
Like, what the fuck?
That's alright, that's a free video.
Oh, yeah.
I know, I follow this dude on Instagram. That thing's clean. M3 clean.
That is tough.
M3.
On the TEs.
Yeah, if I was doing it on Instagram, it's probably seeing this thing in real life.
I like
That's the wing I want, man. This is the hood too. This is the hood I want. Well, it's like two variations.
Right here. It actually does look good with the hood and the fenders, right?
I know.
So you can't go wrong. I would get the fenders first though. That way you know.
Saw that?
Yeah, second time I've seen some shit like that.
No, last time was worse though.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's the color I would get.
Orange?
70, yeah.
What's that look like to you? Red?
Orange. Damn, bro, that's just tough as fuck. Yeah, bro. On the V-Lex too. That's hard.
You got the polished wheels.
I didn't even know I got the year they added this. But I didn't know they made like really bad.
Oh yeah, the polish looks good.
Yeah, bro, those look
Yeah,
tough.
you gotta get the polished wheels, bro. Oh, this dude got the CE40s, bro. Fuck. Oh, it's the bag. I ain't gonna lie, bro. This color on the white is tough, bro. The mag blue. I think it's mag blue.
Yeah, it's a blue.
Dude, it looks good. You can't even lie. It looks good, bro.
I still prefer the polish.
Polish?
Yeah.
Damn, those look good, bro. I do like those wheels. I have a soft spot for that style, bro.
Oh, the Lamb truck.
Yeah,
M2s are clean. That's the guy from last night. Oh shit, you're good. Looks just like mine. That's a nice blue.
Yeah, it's popping.
The Lambo lineup. This one's green.
That blue Viper.
I haven't seen any Vipers, I don't think. This is the first Viper I've seen.
It's nice. Can't go wrong with the Viper. Mustang they got in.
yeah, that's the one we saw on the highway. I didn't have my GoPro out. Look at that lid.
That's great.
That's very rare.
Is that AC? Is that the AC system?
On the VS.
This is the best fucking car here, right? RX, bro. I want this so bad. I want this so bad, dude. That is so clean, man.
Sell the Mustangs, you got it.
Dude, they gone for that, bro. I ain't gonna bullshit. I don't care. Dude, that RX-7, bro.
എനിക്ക് പണ്ട് എൻ്റെ ഫസ്റ്റ് വണ്ടി റോഡിയോ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞൊരു
You can go get to the Mustang. You can't just go get to the RX-7. I like those wheels, bro. Like I would get like red, like white wheels like that. And like a red Supra would look tough. You can't deny, bro. That would look good. I like the color of the wagon.
Yeah. There's a Midnight Club replica. Dude, I'm a sucker for them GT3s and that wagon, man.
And that RX-7 blew everything out the water on the side of the fucking ship, bro.
How'd this Mustang get in here?
No, because the guy who owns the Rocket Racing Club probably said. Yeah, I think I pronounced it right.
Oh shit, a DeLorean. You got the flux capacitor in that joint. We gotta go over to the Liquid Molly booth. Shit.
They're very thin. The Celica was like that.
This thing is crazy.
Yeah, with the center lock wheels. Absolutely ready to race.
Alright, we are headed out. It was actually a pretty good turnout. Unfortunately, they were playing some like copyright music right by like the nice booth. But it is what it is. It was a pretty good meet. And I think now we're just headed out. We're about to go home. My GoPro is about to die. But like I said, my GoPro's about to die, so I think I'm about to head out. And I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.